We are going to make sure that this resolution is defeated, or this motion, or the no confidence motion is defeated, and all the partners in the MDA today, who the representative of all the parties were there, and all of them have resolved that we are united, and MDA is united, and we will ensure that this motion is defeated when it's brought to the floor of the House. We will see the procedures, how it goes, and then accordingly things will unfold. But as I said, the overall resolution that was passed today in the meeting was to ensure that this motion, that is being no confidence motion that is being brought in, will be defeated, and all the MDA partners have supported. Who are in town are here in the meeting, and a large number of them are in their constituencies. They are on their way. Normally we have this meeting one day before, so a large number of them are still in the constituency, but they have all informed me that they will not be able to attend this meeting because of the fact they're in constituency, but still a large number are here. Today in the meeting, our main agenda was of course to discuss about the upcoming assembly session, which will start on the 10th. We have briefed the honorable MLAs of the MDA on the different issues that are there that we can expect in the session. At the same time, we briefed them also about the overall situation that's prevailing in the state. We briefed them about the law and order issues. We also briefed them about the issues of the no confidence motion that is being moved against the speaker, and we discussed on how we will be moving forward. The deputy speaker also has briefed everybody regarding the different rules and provisions in regards to that. So these discussions took place. We also discussed about the 6th schedule amendment. Some of the MLAs wanted clarification on that issue. So those have been clarified also to the MLAs. And apart from that, there were certain other issues that the MLAs had raised at the individual level. So those were discussed. So it was mainly, as I said, the entire objective was to bring the MDA partners together to prepare for the upcoming session, which is starting on the 10th.